Hey, it's Jan McBride at the Droning Company. We are talking to Dronetag. Dronetag specifically, who do we have here?
My name is Jan.
Jan.
Nice to meet you.
Like John. Let's look at that.
Jan.
John, but Jan, yeah. Well,
It's the same.
Pretty close.
Eastern European version.
Okay. Perfect. Well, Dronetag, what are you guys doing? Like, what are you up to? Like, what is it that you guys make? Why is it that you make it? And what are you trying to solve?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah.
I would like to walk you through our portfolio. We at Dronetag, we are making drones digitally visible. So we do have a solution for remote identification, but we are not taking it only like a compliance thing, but we are trying to add as much added value as we can.
Sure.
So with these modules, you are not only getting compliance, but you are getting the opportunity to track your drones, to download the telemetry data, and there are like unlimited amounts of integration possibilities because of our software platform.
So I'm really interested about the software piece of it, but just to kind of explain a little bit more of the hardware, like something like this. What is your runtime? What is required? It doesn't have to connect to your set. You know, what are those things that you're looking at?
Yeah, we are trying to make these modules at least or as much as possible friendly for the pilots.
Yeah.
We don't want to give them any hassle or something like that.
Yeah.
So we have quite small and light self-contained solution. It's battery powered. All antennas are built in. So you just simply need to attach it to a drone, turn it on, and once it catches the positioning, it will start doing the broadcasting thing.
Great.
So it works within like 30 seconds straight out of the box, and just simply install it on any existing drones, and you can switch between drones.
Yeah, so if I had to wait for charge time or anything like that, if I had to wait for charge time, like I said, charge time?
The battery can last up to 16 hours.
16?
Yeah, 16.
Not 60, but 16, which is still
16.
relatively great.
Well, we have the best battery endurance on the market, so it's quite good. Yeah, and the charging takes approximately 2 or 3 hours, and then you are ready to go. And one of the things that we provide is the you can put the cable from your drone battery or flight controller into the device, and then it will start acting like a part of the drone.
Yeah.
So whenever the drone is on, it will start broadcasting.
Yeah.
So you can forget about it.
Let's take a look at a little bit of that hardware over here. You know, I know you've got a lot of other things. You've got larger components and parts, but let's talk a little bit about that software because the integration of all your hardware parts and pieces, all of that seems relatively good.
So this is just to showcase the whole ecosystem that we at Dronetag provide. Yep. So we have those transponders doing the remote identification things, and then we recently introduced our receivers. So this is quite change for us because the reception of the remote identification data via mobile phones, that's not working due to limitations on the software and hardware side as well. So what we created is a middleman between the transponder and your mobile phone.
Got it.
So if you want to receive 100 of the remote ID messages, never mind what technology is used, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, never mind who's the manufacturer, either of the module or if it's DJI, Autel, whatever, we get the remote ID message and we will forward it to the app.
Perfect.
And we have a mobile version of the receiver. It has integrated buzzer, so it will notify you by making noise, and it will notify you by the LEDs on top of it, and you will get a notification in the app as well.
Okay, well, I mean, when you again just looking at cost, when you're looking at multiple drones, multiple systems, multiple things, like just kind of a general idea of what some of the costs. If I had to buy that, what are we looking at?
With this one, Dronetag Beacon, it's approximately $219. $219, exactly, and so that's one-time price for the hardware, and it will work anywhere on the globe.
Anywhere on the planet.
And then we have a solution which combines network remote identification. We call it Dronetag Mini. This is for professional users, professional pilots, and it broadcasts data using Bluetooth. So that's the local
so a little bit more broadcasting capability.
Plus SIM card inside.
Plus a SIM card inside.
Exactly.
So the Pro version definitely a little bit different than the.
Yes, exactly. It's 32 grams, so it's half bigger than the beacon, and with this one we are talking $329.
Yeah, $329.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So that's the pricing.
Hey, so tell me a little bit about this software, Jan. What do we got going on here? So kind of the idea, what devices, what it works on.
Yes. As I said, we do have things that broadcast data, then we have things that help receiving the data, and then through our platform you can use it like a fleet management software. You can use it for working with our devices, for the configuration and stuff, but the most important thing about our cloud platform are the integration possibilities. So with our platform we have nearly 50 companies using our data, feed it through our API to their system.
Very cool.
So with this, you get the whole ecosystem of broadcasting, receiving, and the visualization tool. And the platform itself is working on iOS, Android, and we have web version as well.
Excellent. Well, it seems like it gives you a solution deck for all of everything that anyone needs for.
We are doing our best too.
And again, it's a global support line.
Yes.
It's like as maybe other countries or something like that are implementing this, then you'll be able to kind of support that as well.
Yes, we are present in the whole world.
Yeah.
So,
well, great job, and hopefully that helps out telling a little bit more about Dronetag and about what they do. Dronetag, Dronetag. Just the whole Jan and John thing. Pretty much the same deal. All right, thanks guys.